Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel Purple Lace. I'm so excited to share this nail art with you, which is inspired by beach waves and sand. So let's not waste our time and get started. On pinky finger, apply glitter polish on top of 2 coats of nude polish. This represents the sand. On ring finger, paint 2 coats of white polish followed by glitter polish. This will be our base for the ring finger. With a dotting tool, make 5 slightly curved lines to make the starfish. Also, the missing part of its body around the corner of your nails. When the starfish is half dry, take a white stampy polish and make some dots with a gentle pressure using a toothpick around its body. This will give the 3D effect to the starfish. Then, using random strokes, paint the tip and around the corner of your nails with sky blue polish. This will brighten up the starfish. In your middle finger, part your nails in 2 parts by outlining the waves. Fill up the upper part and bottom part of the waves with double coats of blue and nude polish respectively. Using a paintbrush with stampy white polish, make some waves along the mid-line of blue and nude polish in stippling motion. Then add 1 more waves just above the previous one to give a natural wavy look. Once you're done with the waves, don't forget to apply the glitter polish on top of the nude polish to represent the sand. Now, use 2 coats of blue polish as a base for your pointy finger and draw the seashell little by little using circular motion. Now you should take your time while making this to avoid any mess. Add some hint of waves on the tip of the side of your nails using the stippling motion. Then highlight the seashell with a shimmery gold polish. And add some stripes on the body of seashell to make it more realistic. Finally, finish off your nail art with a top coat. And you're done. I hope you liked this tutorial. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye!